G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and what I've got here is the Wurth crack detector spray. Now it's a three-part system. We've got a cleaner, we've got a penetrating spray, and then we've got the revealer. Now these products are fantastic for detecting cracks in automotive components. If you're a welder, if you want to check if there's any cracks in your weld, and of course plumbers and trades like that can use it to check cracks in steel pipes. They're good for ferrous and non-ferrous metals. So now let's go and have a look how it works. So step one is the cleaning spray. We spray it on the surface, we then wipe it with a lint-free cloth and we allow it to dry. So now the cleaning spray has completely flashed off and the cylinder head is free of any contaminants and oil. We're now going to use step two, which is the red penetrating spray. Now when using this, always use the appropriate PPE. So we've left the penetrating spray for about 20 minutes so it can get in any potential cracks. What we need to do now is we need to wipe any excess off with a rag. Now I'm going to put my mask on. Then we're going to give the can a good shake and we're going to spray it on so we can reveal any potential cracks. Now the revealer spray has dried and what we can see around these ports is a lot of little fine little cracks through here. There's also, if you notice, cracks appearing between the exhaust and the inlet valves. So now you've seen how simple the system is to use and how well it identifies cracks. And there's no need for a lot of expensive equipment. Now some of the technical features is, as I said, it's good for ferrous and non-ferrous metals. It contains no sulfides or halogens and the product can be easily removed with solvents or water. So this is a cost-effective system for detecting cracks, which doesn't require you to purchase expensive equipment. Now if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section and don't forget, at Wurth, we're ready for work.